I have been all over North
North
India.
Delhi.
Yeah, I was in Delhi, Agra, Vrindavan, Lucknow, Varanasi, of
Oh,
course. Yeah.
Vrindavan. How many days stays there?
I think a week.
1 week.
Yeah, for the Hare Krishna, the
Hare
ISKCON
Krishna.
temple.
Yes.
Yeah,
Hare Krishna, Hare Ram.
Hare Ram.
Yeah. Nearby Prem Mandir also, you know.
Ah, Prem Mandir.
Prem Mandir.
Yeah.
Now a very great person, Premanand Ji Maharaj.
Another temple.
No, a person who very great person and spiritual person.
Ah, okay.
You should visit there really. Very honest person.
Time.
थर्ड टाइम
Yeah.
तो ये इंडिया के भाई ये 19 राज्य घूम चुकी हैं. यू विजिटेड 19 स्टेट्स हियर. ओह रियली वंडरफुल मैम. तो विच स्टेट यू लाइक रियली मोस्टली?
My favorite is Kerala.
केरला. व्हाई मैम? बिकॉज केरला पीपल रियली वेरी नाइस. तो गाइज ये कुछ नज़ारा है यहाँ पर, यहाँ का देख सकते हैं. और ये मैडम है जो कि इनको स्पेन से हैं. विच थिंग्स यू लाइक इन इंडिया मैम? Mostly which things you like in India?
The things I like.
Yes,
in
yes.
India.
Means culture. Mostly which things you impress from India? Means culture, food,
I really like the people.
people. Really,
Hospitality is really good in
really.
India.
तो मैडम बोल रही हैं ये कल्चर इनको बहुत अच्छा लगा इंडिया का. एंड मैम इंडियन फूड आल्सो वेरी स्पाइसी यू नो.
Yes, really spicy, but I really like the Indian खाना अच्छा है.
ये बोल रहे हैं इंडियन खाना अच्छा है. हाउ मेनी प्लेस हैज विजिटेड हियर मैम?
I already visited 19 states.
नाइन इंडिया.
Yes.
Oh, you visited Mathura, Vrindavan?
Yes. Are you from there?
Yeah,
From Vrindavan?
yeah.
Okay.
Happy
So why are you here for Holi? Holi is quite
what?
big over there.
I working here as a civil engineer and part-time
okay.
video. And 2 days Holi, you know, Holi festival in Mathura, Vrindavan.
I know.
Which language spoken there, ma'am?
It's Spanish.
Spanish. So Spanish, I think similar to English or different? Different language.
Different.
Okay. And how much temperature there now, right now?
There's winter now.
Winter.
Yeah.
How many months, ma'am, winter there?
So I think it's around 3 months winter.
3 months winter. And summer,
Summer will be in June.
June.
Yeah.
And rainy season?
We don't have like rainy season.
No rainy season.
No.
Okay. So, ma'am, what do you do work for living?
I work in customer service.
कस्टमर सर्विस.
Yeah.
ओह, तो मैम ये मार्केटिंग से हैं इंडिया में. इन 7th टाइम इन इंडिया.
Sorry?
इन इंडिया 7th टाइम. इट्स योर 7th टाइम इन इंडिया.
It's my third time.
थर्ड टाइम.
Yeah.
तो ये इंडिया के भाई ये 19 राज्य घूम चुकी हैं. यू विजिटेड 19 स्टेट्स हियर. ओह रियली वंडरफुल मैम. तो विच स्टेट यू लाइक रियली मोस्टली?
My favorite is Kerala.
Kerala. Why, ma'am? Because Kerala people really very nice,
Yeah.
very supporting.
Yeah, and plus the landscape here is really beautiful.
Yes, yes. So मैम बोल रही हैं यहाँ का जो बीच है वो बहुत अच्छे हैं, यहाँ के लोग भी अच्छे हैं. वैसे all Indian people really good. And because we always welcome to tourists. And our Prime Minister also visiting for different countries. So you know Modi ji.
Yeah.
Yes. ये स्पेन से है मैम. योर प्राइम मिनिस्टर नेम?
Pedro Sanchez.
तो पेड्रो
Sanchez.
ओके. तो मैम ये बता रही हैं मैम वहाँ पर स्पेन और हाउ मेनी कंट्री नियर बाय नेक्स्ट टू स्पेन विच कंट्री इज देयर?
So we have France and Portugal.
फ्रांस. यस. तो फ्रांस एंड
Portugal.
पोर्तुगाल. अच्छा पुर्तगाल. हम इंडिया में पुर्तगाल बोलते हैं. तो ये मैडम फ्रांस और पुर्तगाल उनके पास इनका कंट्री है स्पेन. तो वहाँ से रहती हैं और ये इंडिया में आई हैं. ये भाई साहब इनका तीसरी टाइम है और 19 राज्य भी घूम चुकी हैं. मैम यू डिड ट्राई इंडियन नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड? नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड यू लाइक मोस्टली और नॉर्थ साउथ इंडियन रियली?
I prefer South India.
यस.
I really like idli, dosa, coconut
yeah.
chutney, sambar.
I think when you first time you came in north south India, I think.
No, first time I was in North.
North. Which city you remember which city you visited there?
I have been all over North
North
India.
Delhi.
Yeah, I was in Delhi, Agra, Vrindavan, Lucknow, Varanasi, of
Oh.
course. Yeah.
Vrindavan, how many days stayed there?
I think a week.
1 week.
Yeah, for the Hare Krishna,
Hare
the ISKCON
Krishna.
temple.
Yes.
Yeah,
Hare Krishna, Hare Ram.
Hare Ram.
Yes. Nearby Prem Mandir also, you know.
Ah, Prem Mandir.
Prem Mandir.
Yeah.
Now a very great person, Premanandji Maharaj.
Another temple.
No, a person who very great person and spiritual person.
Ah, okay.
You should visit there really. Very honest person. भाई स्पेन से और how many days next year?
I don't know.
ओके तो ये मार्केटिंग का काम कर यू वर्किंग ऑनलाइन वर्क और ऑफलाइन
I don't work now.
यू ऑन वेकेशन
No, like I went back to my country. I worked for a year, then
Okay.
save money, then I will be in India hopefully for another year.
ओके how members in your family?
My family.
Yes.
So I have my parents,
Yeah.
my sister, and my brother.
And husband?
No, no husband.
You didn't married?
Hmm?
You didn't married?
No, no.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Why? Why not?
I think you touch to God.
It doesn't.
Yeah. You touching to God, spirituality.
No, no.
तो ये भाई अभी इन्होंने शादी नहीं की है इनकी फैमिली में ये माता भाई बहन है और बोल रही है मुझे अकेला अच्छा लगता है यू लाइक अलोन
I'm okay like this. Yes.
यस तो ये हाउ मेनी कंट्री विजिटेड मैम यू
32 countries.
32 कंट्रीज
32 countries, Maria.
मोस्टली विच कंट्री यू लाइक
The most?
यस
India.
रियली व्हाई
I feel like at home here.
या
I feel like at home.
यार ये बोल रही है मुझे घर की तरह इंडिया अच्छा लगता है
Okay.
तो गाइस ये थी जो स्पेन से आई थी बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैम यू ऑल्सो आई ऑब्जर्व so many European person likes to beach and swimming. You know swimming?
Yeah.
So every day you swimming in sea.
Yeah.
Really? But the sea water is very salt, you know.
It's okay.
Don't problem.
No problem.
Oh, when you learn swimming?
When I was a kid.
Yes. Yeah, in school time.
Yeah.
Ma'am, which system of Spain very strong? Education system या working system, job system means which system of Spain mostly nowadays strong?
The education is okay. We have public education.
Yeah.
The same for the health. We have public health.
Yeah.
So
Government helps to you or with education with for children.
Yeah. For children, it's free. You don't have to pay.
Oh, children के लिए free and transport.
To go to the school,
Yes.
you mean? Yeah, you have to pay for that.
Yes. So, ma'am, I think Indian and which mostly culture similar to India, Spain. Which things you like different?
Similar?
Yes.
So something that we are similar in Spain
Yes.
and back home,
Yes.
I would say like we also
Home similar to India.
similar in the sense people are really welcoming as well. Like
Yes.
we like to like bring people to our houses, show our culture, but here is way more.
Oh. So, ma'am, how many cities and mostly which city capital of Spain?
Madrid.
मदरी ओके तो इनको भाई साहब इंडिया आई हैं ये घूमने के लिए मैडम और स्पेन से हैं और इंडिया के कल्चर से बहुत प्रभावित हुई हैं रियली यू प्राउड ऑफ इंडियन कल्चर
Yes. You
Uh,
should feel super proud of your country.
एंड हियर आल्सो वेरी फ्रीडम टू डू एवरीथिंग
Very freedom.
यस यू नो
Well,
But,
sometimes.